In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Instagram profile picture in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From Instagram's home page, click on profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on these three lines. From here, scroll a little bit and click on account privacy. Here you will see an option for allowing profile picture expansion. If this option doesn't appear in your app like me, then go back to settings and privacy tab and scroll down to more info and support section. Then click on help. Now click on report a problem. From here click on report problem without shaking. Now click on include and continue. Now here you have to type, "Hi Instagram team, I am requesting to lock my profile for privacy, but the allow profile picture expansion toggle is missing from my account privacy settings. My account is, type your username here. Then type, please fix this glitch or manually disable profile picture expansion for my account to ensure my privacy. Thank you." Then click on send and Instagram team will contact you in couple of days or manually lock your profile picture. That's it. So that's how you can lock your Instagram profile picture in just few easy steps.